Very good afternoon to everyone. And we just concluded the first cabinet meeting of the MDA 2.0 government. And in the cabinet meeting, we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So these were the two decisions that were taken today in the cabinet. The other things that were discussed was that we will be officially putting up 3 spokespersons of the cabinet, apart from myself and Preston Tinsong, who is our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. We have decided that Kong Amperin Lingdo, Mr. Marcus Marak, and Paul Lingdo, these 3 cabinet ministers will be the official spokesperson of the cabinet. So these were the few decisions that were taken.
To your cabinet ministers.
So the list will come out in the evening today. I am just finalizing the final list, and by afternoon I'll be sending it to the Honorable Governor for approval.
So the budget session is going to commence soon.
Yes.
Will it be a vote on account, or will it be full budget?
So the budget session is going to commence on the 20th of this month, and or rather I should say it will be continuing, because it has just been adjourned till the 20th to 0, and the full budget will be passed during this session, and we are waiting for the BAC to meet to finalize the exact dates.
So BAC is meeting on Monday.
Yes, I'm told that the BAC is meeting on Monday.
How long the session will be?
So the BAC will decide when they meet.
But is it necessary that budget session should complete before 31st March? Because
it is healthy. It's good to do it, because then we can start the work and process quickly. Because now if we go for only vote on account, then it will be only for the first quarter, and then we'll have to meet again. So, and then the full budget picture does not come out. So the team has been working in the last many months to complete the budget exercise, which in fact started a long time back, even before the elections were announced. So therefore, the finance department is very much ready with a full budget.
In your mind, what would be the new thing in the budget?
We'll have to wait and see. That's what the whole point is.